last day I discussed about signal and system, even odd signal, step, ramp, impulse signal, and today we'll see just two to three problems and the rest of the thing of ramp and impulse signal. And after that, the regular student you can leave by giving your attendance, and lateral students you will stay for MATLAB programming. Even if you want to regular students, if you want to stay, you can. Otherwise, if you can leave. And the another thing is that maximum power transfer theorem. Basically, you have an idea about Norton's theorem and Thevenin's theorem. So, maximum power transfer theorem, basic thing is already known to you in basic electrical lab. You already have gone through this, so you have an idea maximum power transfer theorem. But here for AC case, we have to see some conditions. On basis of conditions we can apply. So these conditions I will give you the video, and two three problems also I'll upload to this video. And as you know Thevenin's theorem, I think that it will not be a big problem for you to solve this maximum power transfer theorem problem, because the same way you have applied the Thevenin's theorem, you will apply in the maximum power transfer theorem. Just the condition for RTH or ZTH and ZL, these conditions you have to fulfill, and then you can find out what is the maximum power. So this video I'll upload, and next week I'll start Laplace transform. So within November, if I can complete the Laplace and transient problem, then rest of the thing will be two-port network and graph theory and Fourier series. This is very brief idea you will need. So hope that within 15-20 December we can complete the circuit theory class. So today we'll see the ramp, and I think you can now solve the problem of even, odd or mixed type of signal to find out the portion of even and odd. And energy and power signal I'll show, because in today I'll show you the how to implement, how to find out the signal function. Then you can apply how to find out energy or power, because gate related question, if you go through the, if you solve signal and system chapter, previous year gate question, that means previous 10 years gate question, if you solve signal and system chapter, you can see that some question you will get that find out from a waveform, find out the energy, the total energy of this signal. So there you can get a waveform and you have to find out the energy. Today we'll see how to find out the function from this waveform. If you get the function, then you can apply the energy formula. Then after you can find out what would be the total energy of this waveform. So this will see today.
Ma'am, screen is black.
আমি দেখাচ্ছি, আমি কিছু করিনি। Now I think you can see the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in ramp function, I already mentioned what is a ramp function yesterday, but how we can get this ramp function in real-time system. So you can see that here I have taken an inductor and the supply voltage Vs is given. So if I want to find out what is the current to this inductor, that means IL. If I want to find out IL, then I can write that we know that VL voltage across this inductor is equal to, we can write L dIL by dt. So if I can write L dIL by dt, from this I can find out what would be the IL. How? If I'll do the integration, so I can write IL is equal to 1 by L minus infinity to T Vs dt. What is Vs? This Vs is the supply voltage. Now if I'll apply unit step voltage, যদি আমরা এখানে unit step voltage apply করি, that means UT. If I'll apply here UT dt, now we know that t greater equal 0, UT value is equal to 1, and t less 0, UT value is equal to 0. So from minus infinity is not required, because 0 to minus infinity to 0, the value of UT is 0. So 0 to t, if I'll put here, so and instead of Vs, if I'll write here unit step function ut dt, so I can put here ut 0 to t means 1 value ut unit step function. So if I'll solve this problem, I will get IL is equal to T by L. So you can write down this equation and solve this problem. You will get T by L. Just check it once that you are getting T by L or not. Just draw this figure, write the equation, and put the value Vs is equal to Ut is equal to 1, and integration, take the integration minus infinity to 0 and 0 to t. Minus infinity to 0, Ut dt হচ্ছে 0 value, and 0 to t you will put the value 1, and now integrate and tell me you are getting T by L or not. If at least one member, please inform me.
Yes, ma'am. TL.
T by L. Okay, so what is the value of t? T, you know that ramp function we have got, তাহলে আমরা কোথা থেকে পেয়েছি 0 to infinity or 0 to t. If I'll take 0 to t, then we have got rt now is t is when the ramp function t greater equal 0 তে rt value ছিল t. So we can say here that in case of any inductor current, if we apply unit step voltage to an inductor, then the inductor current gives us a ramp function. So if I'll do the integration of unit step function, we'll get the unit ramp function. Okay, similarly, if we'll give the same thing, that means capacitor, capacitor voltage. So if I'll give unit step function to an inductor, if I'll give unit step voltage to an inductor, then the inductor current value will be the ramp function. তাহলে আমরা দিচ্ছি স্টেপ ভোল্টেজ ইন্ডাক্টরের মধ্যে অ্যাক্রসে, তাহলে আমরা কি পাচ্ছি? কারেন্ট থ্রু ramp function. So if what we have seen that here, to find out inductor current we have done the integration. So integration কার করেছি? Unit step function এর. So if I'll do the integration of unit step function, we'll get unit ramp function. So it's practically, if you want to get ramp function, you have to just integrate the step function, then you can get the ramp function. similarly if we'll do আচ্ছা আমি ক্যাপাসিটরটা পরে আসছি similarly if we'll do নেই same thing suppose in case of this for this same figure suppose I have given I want to find out the induced voltage across the inductor so VL is equal to we can write L DIL by dt right now আগের বারে আমরা কি করেছিলাম ইউনিট স্টেপ ফাংশনকে ইন্টিগ্রেট করেছিলাম নাও উই আর গিভিং আ ইউনিট স্টেপ কারেন্ট আগের বারে আমরা দিয়েছিলাম ইন প্রিভিয়াস কেস উই হ্যাভ গিভেন ইউনিট স্টেপ ভোল্টেজ টু অ্যান ইন্ডাক্টর নাও উই আর অ্যাপ্লাইং ইউনিট স্টেপ কারেন্ট টু অ্যান ইন্ডাক্টর and we want to find out what is the induced voltage so VL is equal to we can write L DIL by dt. Now, if I'll give the integration, derivation of u means 1. So when if I'll do the constant in derivation of constant term, we'll get 0 value. Now the question is that when I can give a constant value, when t greater equals 0. ঠিক আছে আরেকবার আমি দেখাচ্ছি তোমাদের then you can understand. So now the current is flowing through this is the unit step current. That means the current is constant current. This is the constant current, unit step current. This is IL. So what I'll get here, VL is equal to L DIL by dt. DIL by dt. Right. So now this IL is the unit step. What we know that unit step function ut is equal to 1 at t greater equal or t greater 0 in this case constant portion টা হচ্ছে এখানে এই অবধি and here in this t is equal to 0 portion it is suddenly increase from 0 to certain value it is increased at d is equal to 0 te it is suddenly increased and then it is constant. So this portion I can take as a constant because there is a change. So I am considered that now ut is 1. Here also it is 1, but there is a change from 0 to 1. There is a rate of change. But in this portion up to this t just greater than 0 it is constant. So constant যদি আমরা derivative করি then we'll get 0 value. So we can get 0 value when this value, if I'll do the constant derivative of this constant value that means 1 then we'll get 0 value. When we'll get 0 value, t greater 0 te. And here we can see that there is a change. So we can get here particular value and this value should be the one for unit impulse and infinity for impulse signal. So how can we get impulse function? If I'll do the integration of this unit step function, then we can get a ramp function. If I'll do the derivation of unit step function at t is equal to 0 when the stepping occurs. T is equal to 0 the stepping টা occurs হলো এই 0 থেকে suddenly it will change. So that moment the dIL dt, we know that when we'll get the certain change, when it will be the infinite. So when the stepping occurs at t is equal to 0, it would be become infinite. At t greater 0, it would be a 0 value because from this it is a constant. Suddenly there is a change, but after that this is a constant. So we'll get at infinity t is equal to 0 because there is a sudden step change, and sudden step change কখন হতে পারে যখন t is equal to 0 হবে. T is equal to 0 যদি if I'll put here, so this value would be infinite. So VL is infinite at t is equal to 0 and 0 t greater 0. So unit impulse function, if in this case you can get also 1, if you apply unit step function then you will get unit impulse function, and if you will get give step function then you will get infinity value or other value. But you will get only the value. The problem is that you will get only the value at t is equal to 0. That is known as that is known as impulse function. Okay, so this is the thing. And similar thing, so what you have seen that for inductor, if I'll supply the unit step voltage, then inductor current would be the ramp function. If I'll supply step current, step voltage দিলাম তাহলে ramp current পেলাম, আর step voltage দি step current if I'll send to the inductor, then we'll get the induced voltage would be the induced voltage would be the impulse function. বোঝা গেল? তার মানে আমাদের step function যদি আমরা নিই, so if I'll do the integration, then we'll get ramp. If we'll do the derivation, then we'll get impulse. So we can generate ramp and impulse from step function. If I'll do the again derivative of this impulse function, then we can get unit doublet function. DUBLET, unit doublet function. So again, if I'll do the derivative of this impulse function, then we can get unit doublet function. Unit means just the value is 1. Otherwise, you can say doublet function if the value of this function is not equal to 1. Okay, is it clear? So same thing you can apply for capacitor voltage. So if we'll apply step current to the capacitor,
ম্যাম
you will
এখান
get
থেকে এখান থেকে কি ধারণা পাওয়া যায় যে ডিসি কারেন্ট পাঠালে ইন্ডাক্টরের মধ্যে কোনো এফেক্ট হয় না?
হ্যাঁ, তুমি এখান থেকে বলতে পারো, আদার্স ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি থেকেও বলতে পারো, কারণ এরপর তুমি পড়বে হচ্ছে ট্রানজিয়েন্ট, when you will apply transient DC, when you will apply DC, you will apply, you will see the what would be the effect in inductor and capacitor. You were right, steady state value. Okay, ওটা আরো একটু ডিটেলসে পড়বো যখন ট্রানজিয়েন্ট পড়বো। Just momentary switch on and just momentary switch off, or just t আমাদের ওখানে দুটো কনসেপ্ট t0 plus and t is equal to 0 plus and t is equal to 0 minus, just the switch on and just the switch switch on it just prior moment and the just after moment. These two things we have to consider. Okay, that we'll see. So right now we'll just see the ramp function, impulse function, unit doublet function. How can we generate from step input? So if you have seen in case of inductor, in case of capacitor, what we can say that জাস্ট আমরা ইন্ডাক্টরের ক্ষেত্রে কি দিয়েছিলাম, স্টেপ ভোল্টেজ, we have got ramp current. In case of capacitor, we'll give the step current, we'll get the ramp voltage. There you will see Vc is equal to T by C. So if we'll give the step current, you will get the ramp voltage in case of capacitor. In case of impulse, just the opposite. So you will go through this. Now that is the thing you should know. Next, we have to analyze the signal. We have to calculate the function from a waveform. So now we'll see. I will show you just 2-3 functions, and the rest of the functions from GATE question paper, you will go through this, you will try, because mostly you will get either ramp or triangular or ramp plus step combined function. So if you know how to calculate ramp function, how to calculate step function, how to implement gate pulse function, then you can apply for any problem. So just today, if you face any problem, please ask me, because this type of problem you will get in the gate examination. 1 or 2 marks question you will get, and I'll show you one question. The first question will solve this one. Now, already I mentioned you the rectangular pulse or gate pulse function. So, gate pulse function, to write gate pulse function, and I want to show you. So you have seen the step function. You have seen the step function. So what I told, that suddenly if I switch off, then what will happen? This will goes down and then it will be 0. Another way you can synthesize this signal, that one signal is going from this, it is continuous. Now suddenly you have applied a negative step input. So what will happen? This is positive, this is negative, this will discard, and this will form this type of signal. If I'll add this signal, if I'll add this signal, and suppose this signal, then you will get this signal. And this signal is known as gate pulse signal. And if it will start general equation, if I'll say যদি আমরা general একটা function লিখি, then suppose I am taking this one. This one is a actually rectangular pulse, right? So it started from t is equal to a. That means before this it is 0. Suddenly here you switched on, and then you have got the supply voltage. So it is up to 1. Suppose this value is 1. Then it is continuous. Then suddenly off the switch. Then it is off. So at t is equal to b. Now this signal you can write, suppose তাহলে যদি আমি এই সিগন্যালটাকে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করি, then how can I represent this signal? So suppose this is our t is equal to a. Now it is started, it is going on. Another signal t is equal to b I have given, so that I have got this type of signal. So this signal I can write as u. This is a shifted, but it is negative side, negative 1, minus 1. It is negative minus 1, it is plus 1. So what I can write, it is shifted. So shifted signal আমরা কি লিখেছিলাম এখানে, ut minus a. Now when ut minus a is equal to 1, t greater equal a, it would be a 1, otherwise it is 0. Similarly, this is u started from t is equal to b, so ut minus b, but it is opposite, it is downward. It's multiplied with this magnitude, we can write minus ut minus b. Now if I'll add these two signal, I'll get this signal. So this signal function is ut minus a minus ut minus b. So any gate pulse signal, if it is started from t is equal to a and ended to t is equal to b, we can write ut minus a minus of ut minus b. Why? Because you can see that if I'll add these two signal, it are the plus 1, this is minus 1, the plus 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So from this portion, if I'll check that from this portion to this portion, that means just after this one, from this one to this one and up to this one, these all are plus and these all are minus, so it will be 0. Here it is, this portion is 0 portion, so 0 and this plus 1 would be a 1 plus 1, so we'll get plus 1, and you will check here the value. If we'll add this one, you will get the positive portion. So you will get t is equal to b. So t is equal to a to t is equal to b. If you want to get, then you have to generate two signal. One shifted from unit step function, shifted from 0 থেকে a তে shift করেছে. Another one is started from t is equal to b but negative side. So this is the rectangular pulse. Now this one, if I'll take this one, this signal, so what will be the function of this signal? So now this is started from t is equal to 0, not a. তাহলে a এর value এখন কত 0, তাহলে it will be 0 value, and where it is ended, suppose this is ended at c, so you can write ut minus of ut minus c. দেখে নাও বুঝতে পারলে কিনা, না হলে আমায় বলো। ut minus c, because this thing will be required for everywhere. Whenever you will analyze the waveform, it will be required. In Laplace transform, inverse Laplace transform, you need. So if you cannot understand, please let me know. Just here it is started from a, now it is started from 0, therefore this a portion would be a 0, so it is now ut, and it is ended at t is equal to c. So you have seen that where I have ended, there would be a minus ut minus b chilo, তাহলে এখন c তে end হয়েছে, so we can write minus ut minus c. So using this concept, now we will write the another function.
ম্যাম এখানে মাইনাস
Is it
যেটা বলছেন
clear?
ম্যাম, এখানে ইউটি মাইনাস যেটা বলে ওটা অ্যাড করছি ম্যাম, তাহলে এখানে মাইনাস কেন হতো? আগেরটার ক্ষেত্রে তো
এই যে
ম্যাম নেগেটিভ
-1 নেগেটিভ দিকে গেছে, এটা মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে তো ম্যাগনিটিউডটাকে, এর ম্যাগনিটিউডটা 1 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাইড হয়েছে +1। নাও দিস ম্যাগনিটিউড ইজ ut - b, এটা মাল্টিপ্লাইড হচ্ছে -1 এর সাথে, কারণ এটা নেগেটিভ সাইড ডাউনওয়ার্ড, দিস
কিন্তু
ইজ
ম্যাম উপরে
আপওয়ার্ড পজিটিভ।
ম্যাম উপরের ক্ষেত্রে বলছি ut - c যেটা বললেন,
হ্যাঁ ওটাও তো সেম হয় তো, আমি তো এখানে সিনথেসাইজ করিনি, I have just shown you
ওকে
how
ম্যাম,
to
ওকে ম্যাম।
generate this signal. And to generate this signal, we have seen that the synthesis of this signal is this one. Now, if we synthesize this signal in this way, you will get you need two signals which is started from t is equal to 0 to positive side, another one t is equal to c portion minus side. Then if we'll add this one, you will get this rectangular pulse. যদি আমি এটা করি, so one function is started from there, another is started, suppose this is t is equal to c, this one, এই দুটো তোমার ডিসকার্ড হয়ে যাবে, তাহলে এই পোরশনটাই হয়ে যাবে তোমার রেক্টেঙ্গুলার পালস, and this equation is ut minus c. Now we'll solve some problem, then you can understand. But we won't synthesize, just seeing the waveform, we'll just write the equation. So this is the synthesize the waveform as shown in figure. So you have to write the equation. So what you can see here, you can see that one signal is started from 1 and this signal is ended to 4. This is the step signal, or you can take as a rectangular pulse signal. যদি তুমি এখানে একটা stop করো, another signal is started from here, the first signal is started from 1 ended 2, then its magnitude increases up to 2. Initially its magnitude is 1, then after from 2 to 3 value the magnitude is 2, and then 3 to 4 value its magnitude is again 1. And you can see that this one is one step function or one rectangle gate pulse function, this is one as a gate pulse function, and 3 to 4 is another gate pulse function. So if I'll write from 1 to 2, we can write ut minus 1 minus of ut minus 2, and it is multiplied with plus 1. So we have written here ut minus 1 minus ut minus 2, it is multiplied with 1. Next, 2 to 3 zone, if I'll take the time 2 to 3, then again another get pulse function, so we can write ut minus 2 minus of ut minus 3 multiplied with 2, because its magnitude is 2. Next, from 3 to 4, this I am taking that first is f1 function, second is f2 function, then f3 function. So total ft is combined of f1t, f2t, f3t. Now what is f1t? F1t is ut minus 1 to minus ut minus 2 multiplied with 1. Next, f2t is 2 to 3 zone, this is ut minus 2 minus ut minus 3 into 2. Next, f4t, f3t যদি function নেই 3 to 4, so again ut minus 3 minus of ut minus 4 multiplied with 1. So the total function to represent this waveform, this total function ft is equal to f1t plus f2t plus f3. So this is the equation. See, is it clear or not? Is there any doubt? Then we'll go to the next problem. You have to just find out the function. If you have any problem, any doubt, you can ask me. Just here I have taken I have imagined that this is a one get pulse function, this is another get pulse function, this is another get pulse function. Or you can say that this is a unit get pulse function, means 2 unit step function. If I'll add 2 unit step function, then we'll get a get pulse function. So all these things is a unit step signal, but its magnitude, when it is increased, we have just multiplied with this magnitude. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I can go to the next problem. So this is one of the problem. So before going to this, we can see here this problem. Question number 2. This problem you can get in the GATE examination, but in a shifted form. And there this problem is given, and the question was that find out the energy of this signal. So this was easy, but it may happen that in Laplace transform, or suppose one inductor, suppose RL circuit is given. RL is connected in series. That means resistance and inductance both are connected in series, and the supply voltage Vs is looking like this one. Vs is not a step voltage, Vs is not a alternating voltage, but Vs is just look like this. That means it is a combination of ramp plus step. Why? Because you can see here it is a ramp function, this continuously increasing, then it is constant, so it is a step function, and then it is again decreasing, so it is again ramp function. So it is a combination of ramp plus step function. It may happen in real-time system that we can combine. We should require to generate the output in such a way that we need the input in this waveform. And how to find out the output? So before finding out the output using the Laplace or inverse Laplace transform, you can easily find out this solution. If the input voltage is look like that, and it is applied to a RL series circuit, and I'm saying suppose the question is that you have to find out the current through this RL circuit. So how to find out? You can apply the transient, or you can, that means general differential integration equation you can find out, and you can solve particular integral, complementary integral, and then you can find out the ultimate solution. Other solution you can find out through a Laplace transform, because you know that if doing integration is much difficult compared to the addition subtraction. So in case of Laplace transform, you have to just apply the formula, and you have to do the inverse Laplace transform using partial fraction method, and you can get the output. But the question is that input is in this way. So if you don't know how to write the function, you cannot apply the Laplace transform formula. That's why you can see here that 1 by s square is, it is written. So this step we will learn in the latter class, but now we see how to write the equation. So in this equation, we'll solve this equation. You will try this one, it is easy. Okay, but you will try this one now. So first, this is one function. So draw this waveform and write here f1t, here f2t, here f3t. So ft is a combination of f1t, f2t and f3t. So f1t এর ভ্যালু আমরা দেখেই বুঝতে পারছি এটার ভ্যালু হবে t, কারণ আমরা দেখেছি ramp function is value is t. Otherwise how can we find out? ধরো তুমি যদি এটা বের করতে চাও, এটার ভ্যালু তো নিশ্চয়ই t হবে না. You won't get this value as a t. So what would be the function? How to find out? You have to apply the straight line formula. That means y minus y1 by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1. Sorry, ভুল বললাম. না ঠিকই বলেছি, x minus x1 by x1 minus x2. This formula you can apply and you find out this function. Try it. দেখো এই ছবিটা ড্র করো এবং এটা তোমরা সলভ করবে। এটা সলভ করতে পারলে বাকি সব প্রবলেম পাবে। তো লেখো ফর্মুলাটা y minus y1 by
ম্যাম দাঁড়ান
y1
দাঁড়ান দাঁড়ান
minus
ম্যাম ম্যাম একটু wait করুন।
বাবা, গান গেল। তাহলে আমরা স্টার্ট করি। তাহলে ফার্স্ট প্রবলেম f1t, তাহলে এখানে আমরা কি অ্যাপ্লাই করব? স্ট্রেট লাইন ফর্মুলা, y minus y1 by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 by x1 minus x2. Y minus y1 by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 by x1 minus x2. Okay? ঠিক আছে, নেক্সটটা যাব।
ঠিক আছে ম্যাম।
So what is y? Y is our ft. What is y1? Y1 started from 0. And what is y2? Y2 is 1. And what is x? X is now t. Or suppose here the value is t. X is now t. X1 key, x1 is 0, x2 is equal to a. So find out what is the first function. y1 0, y2 1, x1 0, x2 a. So find out the first f1t function. Now y is equal to f1t. ধরে নাও। কত আসছে?
ম্যাম টি বাই এ।
T by a. Next is the get pulse function, right? You can see here. So what we can write? ut minus a, u minus of u t minus 3a. So f2t is equal to, write down get pulse function, ut minus a minus ut minus 3a. Okay. Next f3t বার করো। দেখি zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. f3t. If you cannot, you just let me know. I cannot. Otherwise, if you'll get this answer, let me know. So I'm giving you 3 minutes to find out f3t. Do not see this equation, it may be wrong. Just from your knowledge, find out. বলো, কেউ বলবে? জোন 1, জোন 2, জোন 3।
मैम t माइनस 4a by minus a।
আচ্ছা, t minus 4a by minus a চেক করে দিচ্ছি। কি লিখেছে কে একজন? আচ্ছা, কি এমডিআই কে রায়মান তার ফোন রোল নাম্বার লিখে কোথায় চলে যাচ্ছে? t minus
4a मैम, t माइनस 4a by minus a।
check করি। Now what is given here? y1 is now 1, ঠিক আছে? y1 is now 1 and y2 is now 0 and x1 is now 3a and x2 is 4a। তাহলে এটা বসালে কি সেটাই আসছে?
यस मैम।
ঠিক আছে, তাহলে তাই অ্যান্সার। তার মানে তোমাদের বেরোচ্ছে হচ্ছে t minus 4a। দেখে নিই একবার t minus 4a, কিন্তু আমার তো সেটা আসেনি। দেখে নিই একবার কেন এরকম হলো। y minus 1 0 3 minus 3a 3 minus 4a minus 1 সবার কি তাই এসছে? t minus 4a by minus a একটা আসছে, মাইনাস আসেনি তোমাদের?
माइनस तो इससे मैम माइनस है, t माइनस 4a by minus a।
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে ঠিক আছে।
ওটাই বললাম।
তাহলে রাইট। নাও ইউ হ্যাভ টু জাস্ট পুট দিস ওয়ান অ্যাজ আ ইউনিট স্টেপ ফাংশন। দ্যাট মিনস ইউ হ্যাভ গট আ টি। তাহলে আমরা আগের দিন কি বলেছিলাম যে if I'll take a ramp function to make it is the first coordinate, then we have to multiply with the unit step function, right? So we can write here that we can see. So what you have to do if you will get this type of waveform. So first waveform, you can see that one, if I'll imagine that here is another get pulse function is present, then what we'll get, that t is multiplied with this another get pulse function. দেখো এখানে একটা get pulse function ও দেওয়া আছে, dot dot dot, this is dot dot dot, another dot here also. You can imagine that another get pulse function is present. So get pulse function is nothing but a unit step function. So whatever the ramp function you will get, if we'll multiply with this get pulse function, that means you are assigning that this is a present at positive coordinate system. Okay, so what is the, if suppose now consider that here no ramp function is present, only get pulse function is present. So what we can write, ut minus of ut minus 1, t minus a, right? So here now impose another ramp function. So ramp into gate. So I can write t by a into ut minus a. Now here only the get pulse function is present and nothing is present. So just I have written ut minus a ut minus 3a. Magnitude is 1. Jodi magnitude 2 thakto, then we have to multiply with 2. Next, the third one is the same way. ut minus 3a যদি আমরা এখানে একটা get pulse function consider করি, if I imagine that here also a get pulse function is present, then what we can write, ut minus 3a minus of ut minus 4a. Now with this, another ramp function, decreasing ramp function is present. So we have to multiply. So you have got this function f3t. So f3t is multiplied with this get pulse function ut minus 3a minus ut minus 4a. So this is the whole function of this signal. We'll see another case. And now you will solve this problem. Just draw it. You will try it. So you can see here also that we have got t minus 1, this for this one, and it is multiplied with the another get pulse function, because now the get pulse function is started from t is equal to 1, ended t is equal to 2, and 0 to 1 range it is started from 0 and ended at 1. Just imagine that here another get pulse function is present. Why you will imagine? The question is that why I will imagine? Because of that, I already told that get pulse function is a combination of two unit step function, and unit step function we know that only gives the magnitude 1 at t greater equals 0. So we need a value of ramp function or another যেখানে square wave থাকতো sine wave থাকতো বা other কোনো triangular wave থাকতো, whatever will take, this wave should be positive, and most of the time we will get ramp function or triangular function or shortwave function, both all three functions are looking like that it is a ramp function. We can think about that triangular function, shortwave function, all are look like ramp function. So ramp function কে আমরা পজিটিভ এটা বোঝানোর জন্য আমাদের কি করতে হয়, ইউনিট স্টেপ ফাংশন দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হয়। এবার এই র্যাম্প ফাংশনটা এখানে ফার্স্ট র্যাম্প ফাংশন স্টার্টেড and ended here. So to just to make this one as a positive, I have multiplied another get pulse function, because if you will synthesize, I didn't show you, next day I will show you that how to implement this ramp function from here and here, then you can understand. But right now you consider that whenever I will consider the ramp function, I have to imagine that here another get pulse function is present, and it is multiplied with this ramp function to this get pulse function, then it will be completed.
ম্যাম যে কোনো জায়গায় র্যাম্প ফাংশন থাকলে আমি গেট পাস করবো ওটা?
আসছি আমি এটা প্রবলেম দিচ্ছি, তাহলে তোমরা বুঝতে পারবে। যে কোনো জায়গাতেই না, মানে আমরা যখনই র্যাম্প পাবো তখনই তাকে আমরা মাল্টিপ্লাই করব হচ্ছে ইউনিট স্টেপ ফাংশন দিয়ে। এবার ইউনিট স্টেপ ফাংশন দিয়ে ইউ ক্যান মাল্টিপ্লাই, বাট the problem will be you will face when the ramp will be shifted. That time you have to consider the shifted ramp as well as shifted step. So better that you can consider where the ramp function is present, find out this ramp function, the equations of straight line, and then multiply with this ramp function to the get pulse function. Then your function will be completed and you don't have to be worried about this. So I am giving you another problem so that you can understand how to write. দেখো আমি ডটেড করে দিয়েছি, মানে I have given a get pulse function, and within this there is a ramp function. So you can understand. So this is the value of 2, this is the value of 1. So write down the equation and tell me the equation. What is ft? What is ft? Each zone you will tell me, not one number. From each zone, tell me what is the function ft. It may be a wrong, maybe a right, but you have to speak. সেই 15 আমাকে অ্যান্সার দেবে। বলো জোন 1 হচ্ছে, করা যাচ্ছে এটা?
হ্যালো ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ বলো।
ম্যাম f1 টা হচ্ছে t, তাহলে t ইনটু ut মাইনাস ut মাইনাস 2।
t into ut minus ut minus 2, right?
আর তারপরে আসছে ম্যাম ut মাইনাস 2 মাইনাস ut মাইনাস 3।
আচ্ছা লিখে রাখলাম। তুমি কোন জোন থেকে বলছো?
ম্যাম জোন 2।
জোন 2। নেক্সট জোন 3 is right or wrong? আচ্ছা, যারা অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দিয়েছো মানে যারা রোল নাম্বার লিখছে তাদের কিন্তু আমি লিখতে বলিনি এখনো। কারণ ক্লাস শেষ হওয়ার পর যদি আমি ইনফর্ম করি, ইফ ইউ ক্যান রাইট দ্য your roll number in the chat box, then you can write. Otherwise it is your duty that you will write or not. But it is also my consideration that I will consider your roll number or not. So zone 1 and zone 3. Lateral entry, those from Kolkata, North Chobbish Pargona, South Chobbish Pargona, they are from zone 1. And those from বর্ধমান, মেদিনীপুর, জলপাইগুড়ি, না তোমাদের কোন দিকে, উত্তর দিনাজপুর, মালদা, মুর্শিদাবাদ, they are from zone 2. And after that means Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri and Bihar, UP, Bangladesh, they are from zone 3. So you can also participate.
ম্যাম একটা জিনিস বলছি, সেকেন্ডটা ক্ষেত্রে ম্যাম এখানে তো ওটাকে গেট পাস ফাংশন মানে শুধু র্যাম ফাংশন?
হ্যাঁ, শুধু গেট পাস ফাংশনই তো দেখতে পাচ্ছি,
না
র্যাম
ম্যাম,
তো নেই এখানে।
না ওটাই বলছি মানে
দেখি জোন 1 এন্ড জোন 3 কি বলছে। অলওয়েজ জোন 2 রেসপন্স করে, জোন 1 এন্ড জোন 3 থেকে আমি কোনো রেসপন্স পাই না। জোন 3 তাও বা করে, কেউ কেউ জোন 1 তো একদমই করে না। জোন 1, any member? Zone 1, Zone 3. রেসপন্স তো করো, ভুল হোক ঠিক হোক, অ্যাটলিস্ট হ্যাঁ বা না তো বলো যে আমরা আছি, নাকি সেটুকুনিও তোমরা অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দেওয়ার সময় তো সবার গলা পাওয়া যাবে। অ্যাটলিস্ট না পারো, অ্যাটলিস্ট রেসপন্স তো করো।
Yes, ma'am. Masi, ma'am.
তুমি কোন জোনে আছো, যে রেসপন্স করলে সেই জোন কোনটা? Zone 1. I am trying. Try koro. Or another one. Is he right or wrong? He has told that the answer is TUT minus UT minus 2. At least if you cannot solve this portion, you can at least tell me that 2 to 3, if I'll write get pulse function, then what would be the answer of this 2 to 3? Just put the formula UT minus A minus UT minus B. So A is now 2 and B is now 3. So what would be the answer of this portion? If I'll take the two function f1t and f2t, then what would be the answer? If I'll take the get pulse function, so I think you won't give any answer. So already we have got that the answer is UT minus UT minus 2 minus of minus na plus of, কারণ এটা প্লাস হবে, প্লাস দুটো ফাংশন দেখো, one is f1t, another is f2t. So ft, total ft is a combination of these two function f1t and f2t. F1t you have got that TUT minus UT minus 2, and f2t is only the get pulse function, that is UT minus 2 minus UT minus 3. So this would be added. So we can write this t in third bracket, ut minus 2 third bracket close plus ut minus 2 minus ut minus 3. Now here it is not completed. We have to solve this one again. We have to synthesize it again. And this you will write. It is not completed. This problem will solve again when we solve the Laplace transform problem. So if you cannot solve it right now, you will try to solve it, because Laplace transform, you have to apply this equation, you have to apply Laplace transform and you have to find out. Okay, so there are also 3 more steps to solve this final solution. To get the final solution, you have to go 3 more steps. So please keep some portion here. When we'll solve in the Laplace transform, then we'll solve this problem again. Okay, so this is the over today, and the rest of the waveform will solve when we solve the Laplace transform. I hope that it is clear to you. Otherwise, you tell me any portion anywhere. Or if it is over, then I can give you the attendance. Rule number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Rule number 2. Rule number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
14, 15, 16,
Yes, ma'am. 16 present, ma'am.
17, 18,
Present, ma'am.
9, 18,
Yes, ma'am. 18.
19, 21, then
Yes,
mute
ma'am,
করো
21. Ma'am,
মিউট করো
চলো 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 চলো
ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছে আমাদের কোয়েশ্চেন করছে কেউ একজন বলো তো মিউট করতে 22
yes, ma'am, 22.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা 21 দিলে তো হামজা দিলে তো
Yes, ma'am,
অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স 22 দিল
21.
24
Yes, ma'am.
25
Yes, ma'am.
22, yes, ma'am, 22.